In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see your HubSpot email marketing campaign performance. Hi everyone, and welcome. If you've sent an email through HubSpot and want to quickly check how it performed, I'll walk you through the exact path to get there and what each number means once you do. Start inside your HubSpot account. Look at the top navigation bar and click Marketing. This opens a drop-down with your marketing tools. From that menu, choose Email. That takes you straight to your marketing emails area, where HubSpot lists every email you've created or sent in this portal. On this screen, you'll see your emails organized by name, status, and other details. Find the email you're interested in reviewing and click its name. If you have a long list, the search bar and filters can help you zero in on the right one fast. When you select the email, HubSpot opens its performance page, which is the home base for all the key results. Right at the top, you'll see the total sent. This is the number of send attempts HubSpot made to your recipients. Next is delivered, which represents the messages that reached inboxes successfully after removing any bounces. Delivered is the true denominator for most engagement metrics, so it's normal for it to be a bit lower than sent. If deliveries look lower than expected, it often points to bounces or list quality issues. So consider reviewing your contacts and recent list changes. You'll also see open rate. This shows the percentage of delivered emails that were opened at least once. Opens can be influenced by things like your subject line and preview text. Below that, check the click rate. This tells you how many people clicked a link within your email out of those who received it, which is a strong indicator that your content and call to action resonated. Finally, review unsubscribes. This counts recipients who opted out after receiving this email. A small number is expected over time. A spike can mean the topic, frequency, or audience targeting needs attention. As you look at all these numbers together, think about the story they tell. Delivery reflects list quality, opens gauge your subject line, and clicks reveal content engagement. And that's it. To see your HubSpot email marketing campaign performance, go to Marketing, then Email, click the email's name, and review the performance page metrics. If this walkthrough helped, feel free to like, share, and subscribe for more straightforward tutorials. Thanks for watching.